Walk with me while we talk about why starting an Etsy shop is kind of like you're planting a flower. I know that sounds kind of corny, but hear me out here. So basically, what do you not do when you plant a seed? Well, you don't, every 10 minutes think, why is it not growing yet? And you don't toss it out the next day because nothing's happening. And then you definitely don't like dig it up to see why it's not working, right? You just know that if you give it what it needs, eventually it's going to grow, right? You know that you have to give it water and sunlight, and that if you're consistent, eventually it will grow. Well, that is kind of like when you're starting an Etsy shop. It's not going to grow overnight. You're not even going to see the first sale overnight. It could take weeks, it could take months to see your first sale. You have to be patient, and eventually one day you will get that first Etsy sale, and it'll be as if you planted that seed and you saw the sprout, like a little sprout for the first time, and you're like, wow, I'm actually doing this. Like, my consistency worked, my patience worked, my continuing to give it what it needs worked, and now I know, after seeing that sprout, I'm gonna get some shade here, that now I know that I just have to continue doing what I'm doing for it to grow even more. And that's the same thing with an Etsy shop. I remember when I got my first sale from a stranger, they were in California and I was in New Jersey at the time, and I said, this is crazy that someone in their home across the country from me found my item and they liked it and they purchased it. Like, what? Like, my mind was blown. I was like, this works. I feel like my first sale was one of my most exciting sales because I remember it so clearly, and it just gave me that feeling in my chest, like, whoa, this really does work. And same thing with growing a flower. To be honest with you guys, I'm not very good at growing flowers, but I'm good at growing Etsy shops. And the main thing that I have found, because I've started multiple Etsy shops, and the main thing that I have found is the same thing. Like, even though I know what I'm doing, it takes some effort getting a shop going. Even as a seasoned seller, it takes a couple weeks to get that first sale sometimes, but I just know the strategy and the formula now. Like, you have to be posting, you have to be researching what's in demand, you have to be using specific keywords, you have to be, getting better at your designs and being consistent and being patient in your shop. If you know that you are doing all the right things, then the only thing that stands in your way is basically time and patience to continue to do what you are doing. And once you get that first sale, and say your first couple sales, then that's amazing data, guys. You take a look at what niche that was in, what product it was, what was the design aesthetic, and then you double down on what already sold in your shop, and you continue to list products that are similar to that product and use the same or similar SEO to drive a same or similar audience to your Etsy shop, and you're just going to continue to build off of what is working. Just like when you see that first sprout in the flower, you're going to continue to water it. You're going to continue to make sure it's getting sun. You're going to just continue doing what you're doing. And before you know it, you're going to be standing in a full garden, or in the case of your Etsy shop, you're going to have a bunch of sales in your Etsy shop. If you like this style content, please comment, keep walking in the comment section below so I know to continue to making videos like this. And thanks for walking with me, guys. I will see you next Wednesday.